Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox Pomegranate Amla juice. This is a juice that we definitely want to try in empty stomach during breakfast. For this, I've taken fresh pomegranate kernels nicely washed and cleaned. To this, I then add nicely chopped amlas or gooseberries. To this, then I add some water which will completely submerge the fruits and vegetables. I also add lemon juice along with this. We will then top it up with some salt and then follow it up with some pepper and nicely grind this into a smooth juice. We then run this juice through a sieve so that all the hard particles come out. And then add a little bit of honey to this. Honey is completely optional depending on how much sweet you want the juice to have. Now our 100% detox Amla pomegranate juice is ready to be had.